Students, today we are going to revise the chapter browsing the internet. First, what is required to perform the following tasks? That is sending email, chatting, social networking, searching the information, downloading. What we require for all these things to do? So the answer is we require internet service. So what you are going to learn through this chapter? The first, the basic requirements to connect the internet. Second, components of World Wide Web. Third, identify different parts of a web browser. Fourth, use proper keywords for searching information on the web. Fifth, follow safety rules while using the internet. First, basic requirements for an internet connection. ISPs. Its full form is Internet Service Provider. For internet connection, we require internet service provider. Few example has given, that is Jio, Airtel, Idea, Tata Docomo, Vodafone, BSNL. These are the few private internet service providers which provides the internet service. But dear student, to have internet connection, we require modem. Modem connects to our monitor or mobile to the internet service provider and we get the internet connection. Next, www, World Wide Web. In short, www is a huge pool of information stored in different computers around the world. Now next, web page versus website. What is website? A website is a collection of related web pages linked to each other through hyperlinks. An individual page of information on www is called a web page. Now what is hyperlinks? Web pages contain highlighted text or images that connect to other pages on the web. These are called hyperlinks. Here is example: http colon slash double slash www dot. This is the hyperlink. Now what is home page? Whenever you open a website, the first page that appears in the web browser is called a home page. Next, uniform resource locator. In short, we call it URL. Every web page has unique address called uniform resource locator or web address. For example, www.google.com. This is a URL. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a universal language that is used to create a web page. Now what is web browser? A website can be accessed using an internet application called a web browser. For example, Opera, Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, Opera. These are the web browsers. Now next, Google Chrome interface. This is Google Chrome interface window. Here you can see the different tab or different button. At the top side you can see the URL. Then at the top you can see the new button. Here you can open a new window at the same time. Below URL you can see the address bar. Here to your right side you can see the history. Whatever pages you have visited on net, you can see in history. Bookmark, you can bookmark a particular page and later on you can visit to that page. Search engine, it is used to search the web for a particular piece of information. Example, Google is a search engine, Kiddle is a search engine. Now working of a search engine. How search engine works? It is given here in this image. Next, searching on the internet. Keywords, sentences and phrases can be used in a search engine to obtain desired information. On Google you can search a particular information. Types of result search. Here in this image you can see the types of search results. Next, the word Cricket World Cup 2019 will give the following results. If we will put this Cricket World Cup 2019 in Google search engine, you will get this kind of result. Now last but not the least, that is safety rules on the internet. First, keep your personal information top secret. Never give away to someone you who only know online, that is your full name, your photos, your phone numbers, your address, your school name, your password. Why? Because cyber criminals can use this information to find you. Second rule, never open or respond to unwanted emails because they may contain viruses or nasty messages or somebody may trying to trick you. Next rule, do not copy the material found on the internet and represent it as your own work. So through this video, I tried to take your revision of the chapter browsing the internet. I hope you must have understood the chapter browsing the internet. Thank you very much.